Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to Nashville, so I decided to show you how I do my makeup for Nashville and a little vlog of our little Nashville trip. We're going with some friends, so it's gonna be a fun day. We are really excited. It's a beautiful day outside. If you want to stick around for a little makeup tutorial and a little vlog time, then just keep on watching. Before we get to it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Let's get to it. So because we're going to be out and about in the sun all day, I'm going to use the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. I already went ahead and did my skincare, so we're ready. I'm going to put this on my face. I'm going to use the Too Faced The Hangover Primer, and this is just going to help my makeup stay and last longer throughout the day. I'm going to start with some color correcting using the Becca Under Eye Corrector, which is the medium to deep shade, and I'm just patting with my ring finger to cover all discoloration. Get into the inner corner and look upward so that you can really get in there. You can bring it into your lid a little bit if you want to cover this discoloration in your lid as well. For my complexion, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics, the CC Cream. This is Your Skin But Better SPF 50, because I really want to focus my attention in protecting my skin from the sun. And I'm just going to put this like I would any lotion all over my face. Bring it down to the neck, and I'm just going to warm it up with my finger to really push it into the skin. I'm gonna leave it like that, and before I go in and blend it with a beauty blender, I'm gonna use, this is the Rare Beauty, the liquid blush in the shade Joy, and I'm just going to put this like this. And I'm also going to use the iconic London. This is the sheer bronze in the shade Caramel Glow. So I'm gonna put a few dots of this in my finger. And I'm going to use, this is the Tarte Shape Tape, the Glow Wand, and this is in the shade Dream. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here for a more glowy, radiant look. And now we blend. This is a Real Technique blending sponge. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the All Nighter setting spray before I start blending. And I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And now we are ready for blending. Hi! Now that the complexion is done, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect, and I'm just going to put this in my under eye. I'm gonna put a little bit of more setting spray, let that dry a little bit, and I'm going back with my beauty blender and I'm just going to start patting. Using a little bit of the Hourglass, the Veil Translucent Powder, and this is a Morphe M554 brush. This is a under eye setting brush. Now using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Medium, I'm just going to set my T-zone, and I'm going to use, this is a Sephora powder brush. I'm going to use, this is the Charlotte Tilbury, the Film Star Bronze and Glow Duo. I'm going to hop into the bronzer, and this is a Sephora fan brush. And I'm just going to put this into my brush and just start sculpting my face. For blush, I'm going to use, this is the Covergirl True Blend So Flushed, and this is in the shade Hot Frenzy. And it's a really beautiful summer fresh color. And I'm going to use this Luxie 640 Precision Tapered Brush, and I'm just going to feather this in an upward motion. For highlighter, I'm going to use the highlighter portion of this palette, and this is a Wet n Wild fan brush. To put this right here and bring it up above the brow bone as well. Then across the bridge of the nose and the Cupid's bow. Moving on to the brows, I'm gonna go ahead and brush them downwards. And I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty, the MVP Brow, or the Brow MVP. And this is in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just going to fill my brows in. And then I brush upwards. And brush them in place. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use, this is the Natasha Denona, the Jubilee palette. And I'm going to use a Luxie 205. I'm going to hop into this shade right here to start creating some depth and definition into my eye. Going back and forth into the crease, bringing it all the way in. This is Farrah Blending Brush, a 25EL. And I'm gonna hop into the next shade, this little baby coral pink right here. And I'm just going to put this into the outer crease, outer corner of the eye, and bringing it up into the crease as well. Now I'm gonna grab the blue shimmery shade right here, and I'm gonna use my ring finger for this. And I'm going to put it in the center of the eyelid. Now I'm gonna grab the yellow shade with the pinky, and I'm gonna put it in the remaining portion of the eye. Now I'm gonna hop into the darker royal blue here, and this is a M507. I'm gonna run it through the lower lash line. This is a Sephora Long Lasting Kohl Pencil, and this is in the shade Smoky Green 04. I'm going to put this in my waterline. For mascara, I'm going to use the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Nude. Run my finger through it. And then topping it off with the MAC Mullet Over lipstick. Okay guys, and this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video if you liked it or found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on that notification bell while you're down there so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I'll see you again here next time. Bye.
What we do here is go back.